Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Hi, this is Poonam. We have with us Dia Mirza. Hi, Dia.
Hi, Poonam.
Dia, I'm in the same room for last 20 minutes, but I still can't get over how beautiful you look.
Thank you.
Dia, what does beauty means to you?
Beauty is what beauty does. I've always believed that we're only as beautiful as our thoughts and our actions.
Okay, what do you think is the relation between beauty and makeup?
Well, I think it's a tool to highlight or kind of enhance our natural features and instill a sense of confidence in us.
Who is your beauty icon?
Many favorites, but I think I'll go with Maharani Gayatri Devi.
One thing you love about her?
Her grace and her simplicity. Despite being from royalty, I think what she really always carried off so beautifully was her classic chiffon saris.
I think you truly radiate that.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
What's your go-to hairdo on a day you're feeling lazy or you're getting late?
A braid. It's the easiest thing, or a knot, or a half knot.
One makeup look that you swear by, like a nude maybe, or a
The one
go-to?
that I have on right now, I think, just a little bit of primer or stainer on the eyelids and the lips, and you're ready to rock and roll.
Last one. 3 makeup products that you swear by.
Mascara, cheek and lip stainer, and a concealer.
Okay, we've asked this to everyone, so I want to do this with you. Okay, what's the full form of SPF, do you think?
Sun protecting film? No, not film. What is it?
Sun protection factor.
Factor. I'm from film, so at least I got the first two right.
Have you ever stepped out of the house without an SPF?
Well, in an ideal world, I would not like that to happen because it's essential for skin protection. But there have been some times when I haven't used SPF.
One beauty advice that you'd like to give to your younger self?
I think when we're younger, we take our skin for granted, and I think I really did. I abused it a lot, and as we get older, we realize how important it is to care for our skin. So take that makeup off before you sleep.
Thank you so much.